Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2016. Happy New Year, Taurians. We begin the month with Mercury that is there in your house of career, and it is shining a bright light on your work and also on your reputation. However, just after about 5 days, Mercury is going retrograde for the entire month, and it's going retrograde in a part of your chart that is speaking about higher mind and consciousness. It's speaking about learning. It is also speaking about some amount of travel that is there for you. And we all know the Mercury drill. It's time to be careful as far as your technology is concerned, as far as your communication is concerned, and as far as your travel is concerned. And it's a time wherein that you could find during this entire retrograde till about 25th of January that maybe there are certain loops that still need to get closed. Maybe there are certain things that you need to be finishing up and you've not done much about it. And it's also a time wherein you are really being given an opportunity the next 3 weeks to be dealing with the messy details, Taurian. So ensure that you are not getting sidetracked with the bigger picture, and that you are focusing also on the smaller things that need to get fixed for you. Maybe there are these rug rats and ankle biters that have not got sorted as of now at work. So those are the people I think that you need to be dealing with. And it's also you, in doing so, you'll find that you will find that you are actually even tapping into more resources than you thought that existed while closing this loop. So it will really work out well for you. We have Mars on the 3rd that is entering your house of relationship and marriage, and it's a brilliant month as far as your love is concerned and as far as your marriage is concerned. However, temper yourself with Taurans. Try not to sort of be this bull in the china shop, and try not to sort of just roughshod people and say that no, I know best and I know how this marriage needs to be running or how this relationship needs to be. And Jupiter also is going to be retrograding through your house of love, romance, children and creativity. And this is, now the good thing about Jupiter is that despite a retrograde, there's never really anything bad about a Jupiter retrograde, because it is I think one of the most fantastic benefactory planets that is there, and he's a giver. So even when he's on the retrograde, he's just sort of slowing things down for you. He's just making you look at, what is it that you think about love? What is it that you, maybe it has to do with your child. Maybe your child is having some issues, and maybe you need to be spending some time with your child, and you need to be sorting out that stuff for your child. And it can also be that as far as romance is concerned, during this time you could just simply be swept away by somebody, and you could feel that that there is really no sense of reality all around you during this time. We have a new moon over here around the 9th, and the new moon is there also in your part of chart, which speaks about higher mind and consciousness, and it's speaking about gaining more knowledge. It's speaking about having clarity. It's speaking about being in a space where you are absorbing knowledge very easily. Also, it speaks about some amount of travel as well, Taurans. So it could be that you're interacting with a lot of people, you're coming across a lot of newer people, you're understanding people from different cultures, different backgrounds, different workspaces, and it's just enriching your life. And around the 20th, we have Sun that is going to be lighting up again your house of career. So it seems to be quite a good news around this time. And towards the end of the month, we have Venus that is there in your house of higher learning and consciousness, higher mind and consciousness, and it speaks about some amount of travel that will be there outside the country. It can be that you're dealing with foreign partners. It can also be that you are expanding your business. It can be an online business as well. It can be that you're dealing with, especially with Venus being over there, you will be able to attract all the wealth to yourself, to all the favors that need to get pulled. It will be a far more easier time to be doing so. It's also a good time to be clearing out your real estate issues this month. Taurians, be it your to buy, sell, and it's of course wait till about Mercury goes direct. That's around the 25th of Jan, and then just go ahead and take the action. But use this month really to reevaluate things, retweak things that maybe could have got missed otherwise. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Taurians. I'll see you soon, and thank you so much for watching.